You little pain in the ass. Go away.
Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's day 10 out of 31 days of Halloween, and as you noticed, we're doing the Joker today. So starting off barefaced, moisturized and ready to go. We're paling up our face by using the Kryolan TV white stick and topping that with a very light shade of the Maybelline foundation. I'm mixing it directly on my face and it will leave you with a beautiful whitewashed skin. Once it's done, I set everything with powder, and then we're moving on to contouring our face with a pale grayish brownish contour. It's like hollowing up the cheekbones and giving it a little bit of contour. For the brows, I'm using a green face paint, and I'm just following the shape of my brows, but I'm lifting the tail of the brow just to make it a little bit more snatched. Then I'm layering a little bit of purple cream paint as a base on the eyes. I'm blending that out on the edges, and then I'm gonna top it with eyeshadow. I'm picking up a very light shade of purple from my Be Perfect Carnival 2 palette, and I'm just stamping it on the color just to set everything, and I'm also dragging it downwards so it looks like it's been ran down with water. Picking up a very dark shade of purple and stamping it on inside my crease. This will make the eyeshadow pop even more. And then I'm softly blending that into the lighter shades of purple, also making the dragging down movements. I was really trying to recreate like an aquarelle effect, so I grabbed some water and dabbed it on top of the eyeshadow and then dabbed with my fingers, and it was giving these beautiful aquarelle stains. And as a finishing touch, I also added some tears of purple running down the cheeks. I glammed it up a bit with a metallic eyeshadow. I used like a purple blue metallic finish, and I just put it on top of the eyeshadow, in the middle of the lid, and also a little bit underneath. Completed the eye makeup with a beautiful dramatic lash, and then we're moving on to the lips. So I'm drawing the classic Joker smile with a dark brown eye pencil, and then I'm topping it with a bright red lipstick. I felt like this was a little bit too clean, so I started up smudging the lipstick a bit to really create like a matching effect for the eyes, and it just doesn't have to be neat and clean, this look. Then I'm adding a little bit of shading on the lips to create a little bit more depth because it was a bit too bright for my liking. And I also went in with the aquarelle effect on the edges of the lips. So it's all a bit messy, but that's what I like about this look. So I decided to add a little bit of purple rhinestones underneath and on top of the eyes, as just to glam it up a little bit more. As you know, my previous looks in the DC comics were all with a lot of glitter, lots of rhinestones. So just to match the whole series, I decided to add some as well on the Joker's eye makeup. I'm drawing some on the edges of the eye makeup on the outer sides. Also, yeah, just ignore the fact that it's mirrored. I was not thinking straight, but anyway, it just looks, yeah, it just looks weird, and I just continued doing that on my chest. And I also wanted to go for the messy effect. Just once I was done, I also sprayed it with water so it would create these black drops running down. I actually liked how it turned out, and then I wanted to add some glitter, but obviously my can was empty because I've been using glitter like crazy. So luckily I found a second bottle and sprayed myself to death. Also covering my blue part of hair with green so it's more Joker-like. Yeah, that's it. That's the finished look. Oh no, wait, I also popped in some lenses, and I started crying again, which is horrible. I really can't, but they finish off the look so well, so I have to put them in. But yeah, here's the finished result. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting a new look every day, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bye.